Paddy dear, and did you hear the news that's going round? The shamrock is by law forbid to grow on Irish ground. St. Patrick's Day no more will keep, his colours can't be seen, for they're hanging men and women for the wearing of the green. I met with Napper Tandy and he took me by the hand. He said, how's dear old Ireland and how does she stand? She's the most distressful country that you've ever seen, for they're hanging men and women for the wearing of the green, for the wearing of the green, for the wearing of the green. They're hanging men and women for the wearing of the green. Then since the colour we must wear is England's cruel red, sure Ireland's sons will ne'er forget the blood that they have shed. You may take the shamrock from your hat and cast it on the sod, but 'twill take root and flourish still though underfoot 'tis trod. My father loved his country and sleeps within its breast, while I that would have died for her must never so be blessed. Those tears my mother shed for me, how bitter they had been, if I had proved a traitor to the wearing of the green, for the wearing of the green, for the wearing of the green. They're hanging men and women for the wearing of the green. At last our colour should be torn from Ireland's heart, her sons with shame and sorrow from the dear old Isle would part. I've heard a whisper of a land that lies beyond the sea, where rich and poor stand equal in the light of freedom's day. Oh Ireland, must we leave you driven by a tyrant's hand, and seek a mother's blessing from a strange and distant land, where the cruel cross of England shall never more be seen. And in that land we'll live and die for wearing of the green, for the wearing of the green, for the wearing of the green. They're hanging men and women for the wearing of the green, for the wearing of the green, for the wearing of the green. They're hanging men and women for the wearing of the green.
In Ballyman as he worked the land, a farmer's son with steady hand. His brothers swore the redcoats lie, but Billy let the oath pass by. They said he'd never take the field, that men like him were born to yield. But when the crown came down his way, he left the farm and joined the fray. He rode the hills near Vinegar Hill with a pistol and a plan. Through fog and fern he moved with a will at the head of a rebel clan. But it wasn't guns that brought him down, no, it wasn't skill or might. It was whiskey in the wrong man's mouth that gave him up that night. And they said he's just another Fenian boy with dreams on borrowed time, another name on a watch list, now another rebel in the line. But he smiled as they dragged him down, though the shackles bit his skin. I'd do it all again, he said, for the soil that raised my kin. They marched him through the market square with a redcoat left and right, and mothers turned their children's eyes away from such a sight. But one old man stood tall and proud and spat upon the road. For every one you lock away, 10 more will take the load. In a cell down in the Wicklow jail, he wrote one final line: I wasn't born for silence, I was born to cross the line. And when the dawn came cold and grey, they led him from his bed, and the last thing that he whispered was, tell Ireland I'm not dead. So sing for the Fenian boy with the rope marks on his skin. He never wore a uniform, but he bore his country's sin. And though they took his final breath, they could not make him turn. The land still speaks his rebel name, and it won't forget Billy Byrne.
Stand together, brothers all, stand together. Stand together. To live or die, to rise or fall. Stand together. Stand together. Old Erin proudly lifts her head. Of many tears the last is shed. Oh, for the living and the dead, stand together. True together. Stand together, brothers all, close together. Close together. Be Ireland's might a brazen wall. Close up together. Tight together. Peace, no noise, but hand in hand. Let comrades all pervade your band. And wait till nature's God command. Then help each other. Help each other. Stand together, brothers all, proud together. Bold together. From Kerry's cliffs to Donegal, bound in heart and soul together. Unroll the sunburst, who'll defend? Old Erin's banner is a friend. One foe is ours. Oh, blend, boys, blend. Hands together, hearts together. Together, brothers all, wait together, watch together. See America and Gaul look on together, both together. Keen impatience in each eye, yet on ourselves do we rely. Ourselves alone our rallying cry, and stand together. Strike together. The green, oh the green is the colour of the true, and we'll back it against the orange, and we'll raise it o'er the blue. For the colour of old Ireland alone should here be seen. 'Tis the colour of the martyred dead, our own immortal green. Then up for the green, boys, and up for the green. Though it's down in the dust, 'tis a shame to be seen, but we've hearts and we've hands, boys, full strong enough, I ween, to rescue and to raise again our own immortal green. They may say they have power, 'tis vain to oppose. 'Tis better to obey and live than surely die as foes. But we scorn all their threats, boys, whatever they may mean. For we trust in God above us, and we dearly love the green. Then up for the green, boys, and up for the green. Oh, to die is far better than be cursed as we have been. And we've hearts, oh, we've hearts, boys, full true enough I ween, to rescue and to raise again our own immortal green. They may swear, as they often did, our wretchedness to cure, but we'll never trust John Bull again, nor let his lies allure. No, we won't, no, we won't, for now nor evermore, for we've hope upon the ocean, and we've trust upon the shore. Then up for the green, boys, and up for the green, shout it back to the Sassenach, we'll never sell the green, for our tone is coming back, and with men enough I ween, to rescue and avenge us and our own immortal green. Oh, remember the days when their reign we did disturb, at Limerick and Thurles, Blackwater and Benburb, and asked this proud Saxon if our blows he did enjoy, when we met him on the battlefield of France at Fontenoy. Then up for the green, boys, and up for the green, though it's still in the dust, 'tis a shame to be seen, but we've hearts and we've hands, boys, full strong enough I ween, to rescue and to raise again our own unsullied green. Then up for the green, boys, and up for the green, though it's down in the dust, 'tis a shame to be seen, but we've hearts and we've hands, boys, full strong enough I ween, to rescue and to raise again our own immortal green.